Happy evening, all of you. I am Professor Anand Kumar Das. Today I am going to discuss with you all. I have already uploaded 3 videos on that career discovery and talent matching. Now onward, I will be uploading video in English, especially related to career discovery and talent matching and subject domain expert knowledge. Okay. Only I will make video in Hindi related to motivational and inspirational video. Other than all videos, I will try my level best to give my all students, executives, managers, individual housewife in English. Okay, so that it should reach to the world at large. To be very frank. Let us start. Okay, as I said, I have already uploaded 3 video on career discovery and talent matching, and that 3 video is in Hindi at present. And I will try to develop that video also in English. Okay, if there will be any problem, you are supposed to give me your comment in your description box. If you are not able to understand in Hindi, so please make video in English. I will do that. Okay, but first of all, let us start with the fourth one. This is part 4. Okay, do you love making something beautiful? The very big title is, if you love making something beautiful, means related to your career discovery, career options. If you really love making something beautiful, then for you, these are the 3 career for you. You are supposed to take maximum education in this, whether it's a degree, diploma, certificate, whatever it is, and then job related to these things. Okay, the very first one is design. If you love making something beautiful, the very first thing where you can make something beautiful, that is design. The second one is animation. As you know, nowadays animation world is so big. huh? It's a billions trillions of rupees involved in this animation and gaming, as we know very well. People are crazy about gaming, animation and design. So these are the 3 career options for you if you love making something beautiful. You are supposed to take maximum qualification, join good colleges, okay, in India and abroad, wherever it is possible for you all. Search on Google, first of all. Okay, search on Google related to this. Today I am going to tell you all. These are the things where you can take the education and then you can do the job also. At the same time, you can have super rocking awesome career related to this design, animation and gaming. Let us start with design part. You can be a fashion designer, very simple. Then you can be interior design, you can go for interior design, you can go for industrial design, you can go for web design, you can go for graphic visual communication. These are the 5 parts where you can take the maximum career in terms of your postgraduate degree or degree, diploma, certificate, anything, wherever, whichever is possible for you. Keeping in your mind financial constraint. Keeping in your mind financial constraint. Always remember animation, which is very big as of now in the entire world. It's just crazy about animation and gaming. You can go for illustrators and animators. Search on Google elaboration for that. Okay, what exactly is the illustrator and animators? Okay, find out. Composing artist, because there are several things which I am not able to incorporate here. It's a very big actually. All the terminology used by them. Model makers, lightning artist, texture artist, coders and program writers, visual artist, sound artist, cinematographers, okay, film editors, and story and script writers. Very simple. These are the lines, these are the areas best suited for you all. You can opt for that. Go on Google, search complete detail about all these things. What are the colleges available in this country, outside this country, what are the fees, but education criteria. If you love this part, if you have interest in this, only then, not because that your friend is opting for this because he has interest in that, you are supposed to blind follow him. No way. Otherwise, there will be no advantage if you are following anyone blindly, to be very frank. Okay, be sure that if you have interest, only then, if you have honest intention to that anything as such where you love something making beautiful, only then you go for that. Okay, in gaming, as a game tester, it's a very big job as of now, a big career. It's a game artist, big career. Gaming professionals, gaming designers, gaming developers, audio engineers, game programmers, visual artists and animators. These are the things where you can take your career like anything. Okay, and these three things definitely, if you have, or you are actually not a have, if you are really interested in these three part and three careers, you have the best option in this country in terms of top colleges in India. Search on Google, you will get, in on Wikipedia also you will get everything related to this part. Because all details I am not in a position to incorporate here, because it will take another half an hour or 1 hour, more than 1 hour time. Okay, but if required, whenever later on, then I may incorporate those things, or otherwise I will leave it in the description box. You can search in the description box also, but not now, later on when I will uh, feel the worth of this, only then. Okay, by that time you are supposed to go through all this career options and discovery for you. If you love, if you make something beautiful, if you're really interested in that, and go for design, animation, gaming, which is superb career, rocking, awesome, fabulous, marvelous career nowadays. Very big money involved in this, in terms of salary, in terms of contractual job, or in terms of anything you can say. So I think I have given you certain logic. Go by that. If you like that logic, please don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your family, friends, and relatives, so that they may have also great knowledge, information, exposure related to equal to learning. Thank you so much. May God bless you. The happy beginning.